Hello everyone, Coach Step Shock here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The recent Shopee 8/8 sale was an unusual one for me because it didn't involve any purchasing of gunpla or sports-related products that I usually buy during these sales. But rather, I bought an appliance, a small appliance that I've recently appreciated more and more. I began to use one just this year, and I think it has a great effect on our home lives. So what I bought from the Shopee sale is this one, an aroma diffuser. So it's an unbranded humidifier. I think it will be great because it looks like a humidifier that I once used a few months back. So I'm excited to try this one out, and we'll do an unboxing and a review of this aroma diffuser. Let's go! It only cost 450 pesos. The original price was 799 pesos. It looks like a humidifier that will change its color every so often, giving it a more vibrant vibe than the usual. So it says on the box, aroma diffuser, life of leisure, ultrasonic vibration atomization. So it does humidification, aromatherapy, purify air, colorful lamp, technology for healthy life. So it says the same text on the other sides, and just showing a different shade of the ultra microparticle, easy to be inhaled. On this side, it says the specs. So I think this will be applicable to the power outlets here in the house, and it's made in China. So interesting enough, I bought this in the 8/8 sale, and I received it 3 days after the purchase. So quite quick. Let's do the unboxing of this humidifier. Alright, it says here, Chinese characters. Attention, the power cord and the remote are inner the container. Please pull out transparent chip before use the remote. So, quite the wrong grammar. And voila! So this is the humidifier. Alright. Okay, so there are buttons: light, 60, 120, 180 on, high, low, and mist. So it's quite easy to use. I was able to try another unit that's very similar to this one, so I think I won't have a difficult time using this humidifier. Okay. So what's inside? There's a drain side. So that's helpful. There's a scale. And inside the humidifier is power outlet. Alright. And a scooper for a mini pitcher rather for the liquid or for the aroma that you will place in the humidifier. And what else? Oh, it's the manual. Aroma diffuser use manual. So let's use this. I'll review this humidifier, and I'm looking forward to smelling what aromas it will produce. Alright, so join me. Ito na, napagana na namin yung humidifier. So nakikita nyo, naka-on siya, pero pwede mo siyang baguhin na aandam na siya ng 60 minutes, 120 minutes, 180 minutes. Pag naka-on, ibig sabihin hanggang maubos yung tubig at saka scent na nasa loob, gagana siya. So high, low at saka mist. Yung light, pwede mo pindutin, tapos mag-iiba yung kulay niya. So para siyang, alam niyo yung mga gaming mouse at saka gaming keyboard na nag-iiba-iba yung kulay. Ganun siya eh. RGB din yung ano niya. Or RGB yung tawag namin sa mga gaming setup na ganito. So yan, pula, dilaw, puti, yan. Tapos yung mist, ito nagbibigay ng karagdagang speed nung pag-emit ng vapors. Lagpas isang buwan na namin ginagamit yung humidifier na to. At masasabi kong isa ito sa mga pinakasulit na nabili ko sa Shopee. Yung RGB mechanism niya, yung pag-iiba-iba ng kulay, hindi pa din nawawala. So gumagana pa din na maayos. At hindi naman siya mahirap gamitin. Tapos sobrang ang laking tulong niya sa senses eh. Ito madalas namin gamitin bago matulog. So bubuksan yung aircon, tapos bubuksan din yung humidifier. So babango yung loob ng kwarto, tapos mas makakatulog ka ng mahimbing, mas nakaka-relax. Ang ginagamit namin ng kapatid ko na scent, itong home scents na eucalyptus and mint water-based oil na nabili sa Senses, ZNZST. Yun. Isang buwan na ito mahigit, hindi pa din nauubos eh. Tama ba, Kim? 100 ml. So okay siya. Tapos ang kailangan lang dito, palitan mo yung tubig tuwing kailan nga ba, Kim? Every other day daw na kailangan palitan yung tubig sa loob ng humidifier. So yun, dati wala naman ako alam sa mga ganito eh. Tapos na-expose lang ako this year. At yun, nakakatuwa lang. Tapos nabibigyan niya ng additional aroma, additional flavor yung interior ng bahay. So yun, mas masarap na matulog sa gabi, lalo na't kung mabango yung paligid mo. So yun lang, ganun lang kasimple talaga to review, ganun lang kaiksi. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na nakakatuwa na pwede pala to na bumili ng ganitong mga klase ng kasangkapan na mura lang, pero ang ganda na epekto niya sa loob ng tahanan nyo. Kasi mahal nga nung iba nito sa mall eh. Kaya kaya pinili na namin sa Shopee bumili. At buti na lang, sulit yung pagkakabili namin dito. So yun, hanggang sa muli, ito na naman ang isang review mula kay Coach Step Shop. Salamat sa panonood, pakikinig. Kung nagugustuhan nyo yung mga pinaglalagay ko dito sa YouTube channel, mag-like na lang sana kayo sa mag-subscribe kung di abala sa inyo. Pero yun, hanggang sa susunod na video, paalam, kita-kits, ingat lagi.